Not sure if you have oily, dry, normal, or combination skin. Don't worry, in this video, I will be showing you the easiest way to figure out your skin type with a simple test you can do at home. No special tools needed. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chisom Precious Emeka. Yes, I'm a skincare expert helping women like you achieve a flawless glowing skin with the right products. Yeah, let's dive in. The four main skin types are the oily skin, the dry skin, the combination skin, and the normal skin. If your face, I'm going to just explain it a little bit. If your face is oily, it has a greasy feel, you're acne prone, and you have blackheads, you have an oily skin. If your face is flaky, rough, tight after washing, you have a dry skin. If you are oily, if you have an oily skin in the T zones and your cheeks are dry, you have a combination skin. Lastly, if your skin is not balanced, like not too oily, not too dry, how does it feel to be the favorite child of God? You have a normal skin. So here's the easiest way to know your skin type at home. Wash your face and wait for 1 hour. Don't apply anything. After 1 hour, you press the blotting paper or tissue on different areas of your face. That is how you're going to know your skin type. So if the paper or the tissue shows oil on all areas of your face, you have an oily skin. If it's dry and it feels tight, you have a dry skin. If you only see oil in the T zones of your face, just know you have a combination skin. And if the oil is kind of like minimal around your face, not much, it's just there all around your face, then you have a normal skin. So if you have oily skin, go for gel-based moisturizers. If you have dry skin, go for cream-based moisturizers. If you have combination skin, you have to find you have to use two different types of moisturizers to balance the hydration so your face doesn't look too greasy. So you go for both the cream-based moisturizer on your on your dry areas, and you go for gel-based moisturizers on your T-zones. And for the normal skin type, you go for lightweight moisturizers or cream-based moisturizers. They all work for you. Now that you know your skin type, you want to know what skincare products works best for you. Watch my next video. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share to your friends. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.